Welcome back to part 2 of our Dubai walking tour. Today, we step back in time to explore the roots of this magnificent city in Old Dubai. The Al Fahidi historical neighborhood offers a glimpse into a bygone era, with its narrow lanes and traditional architecture that tell stories of the past. Next, we board a traditional abrat across the Dubai Creek, a bustling waterway that has been the lifeblood of the city for generations. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The spice souk is a feast for the senses, filled with the rich aromas of saffron, turmeric, and exotic herbs from around the world. Just a short walk away, the gold souk shines with thousands of exquisite pieces, showcasing Dubai's status as the city of gold. From colorful fabrics to handmade lanterns, the markets here offer a truly authentic shopping experience in the heart of the city. Stay tuned for part 3, where we visit the iconic Palm Jumeirah. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.